This is going to be a bit more of a deeper dive into the routing page. Still at a relatively high level, we're just going to go over the big picture of the routing page and the various features. And then again, there will be subsequent videos that dive more into the weeds. So at a high level, the routing page has various configuration options on the left, and the bottom shows a timeline that is populated by the routes. And so just the entire time span of times for all your routes is represented on the timeline below. And with all of our timelines, we always use a red bar or a red line to indicate right now, and then you obviously can hop around to things from the past or the future, and it will just update your view. So right now we're looking at obviously like quite a few routes, and there's various features that allow you to simplify what you're looking at, just so you can find things easily. So on the left, let's go over the high level sections of how you edit the view and what the different things control. First of all, there are a lot of features in this application, and it can be overwhelming. And so we have this nice search. You can use Command F or Control F, whatever is the find shortcut for your system, and you can always just search for what you're looking for. And if it's hidden, it will open it up and take you to whatever. Again, like if you just need to find something, it'll find it for you. So if you're ever lost, just Command F, search for what you're looking for, click on the link, and it'll open it up for you. So then we have the routing configurations panel, and this is very straightforward. It's just where you go to configure your courses, configure the automated routing, select the pollers that you want to use for a particular course and your departure times and very standard things. The only real differentiator here is that you are not opting in to run a route against a particular model. The system is in the background, both downloading every ensemble member and every model that it's configured to download, but it's also creating its own ensembles of AI forecasts. And so for whatever you have configured, it will just run the routes against the most recent data available. So there's nothing for you to do other than disable models if you want to disable models. So you can, of course, turn on and off routes. You can change the whether they're dotted or how they appear. You can change the colors of them, the colors of the endpoints, and you can add multiple waypoints as well. And then for the routing configurations, it's the same thing. You can turn the configuration, turn it on if, by default, if you want to actually route for that config. You can turn it off if for some reason you just want to stop routing for it, but you don't want to delete the configuration yet. And then every configuration has a course, but it also has the ability to set a specific number of pollers. So you can route however many pollers you want for that configuration, or just one for your boat, however you want to do it. Now, the routes section is really where all the magic happens. This is where you configure what is visible. This is where you have different tools to visualize what's going on, and you can hide and show different groups of routes. And then there's also sophisticated analysis features that we'll go over as well. So I'm just going to skip over that for now. There's also a pollers section. This is just where you go to configure pollers. You can edit your pollers. You can visualize them in 3D. This is just poller management. And then we have a weather panel. And the weather panel allows you to visualize the weather forecasts, either for a specific model or a comparison of many models. And so we'll have another video that dives deeper on that as well.